Good day everyone and mabuhay. This is John Lloyd Afjusaban from BSTM3A together with Juana Sabalboro and June Vincent Del Rosario. Today, we will present our feasibility study together with them, and our company's name is LNJ Highland and Adventure Resort.
Nature of the business. Highland Resort that offers different outdoors and exciting activities which can be beneficial to the adventurous and non-adventurous customers. So ang LNJ Highland Resort gali go offer gid sa mga para sa adventurous nga tawo kag sa mga hindi man adventurous nga mas sa mga relaxing sightseeing. LNJ Highland and Adventure Resort offers different activities such as zip line, surfing in pressured pool, hiking, skydiving, swimming pool, hot air balloon, beverage, breakfast menus, lunch menus, dinner menus, soup menus, and snack menus. We offer also accommodation, swimming lesson, surfing lesson, wellness and spa, fitness gyms, mountain climbing, Zumba, party bar, coffee shop, establishment tours, motorcycling, and bicycling.
Price of products and services. LNJ Highland Resort will be adapt and value beside entire pricing strategy that reflects the quality of experience offering will remaining accessible to a wide range of guests. Pricing will be structured to match the device needs of solo, travelers, couples, families, and groups. We did emphasize on providing value through the blind experience and seasonal promotions. Projected sale per day, per month, and per year. Estimated sale is income a day of 50 customer, 2,000 pesos each, total 100,000 pieces. Estimated sale income monthly is 1,500 customer, 2,000 pesos each, total is 3 million pesos. Estimate by sale income monthly 18,000 by customer, 2,000 pesos each, total is 36 million pesos.
And now, let's proceed to the projected expenses per day, per month, and per year of LNJ Highland and Adventure Resort. For the daily expenses, let's start with a salary of 20 employees, 1,000 per employees, so the total of 20,000 a day. For the food supplies, 10,000, beverages supply, 5,000, fuel, gases, water supply, electricity, internet, and others, 10,000. For the maintenance, we have 5,000, housekeeping, 5,000, to the equipment use for the safety and health of our tourists and guests, 5,000. So the total of daily expenses is 60,000. And the total of monthly expenses is 1,800,000. And for the yearly expenses of the LNJ Highland and Adventure Resort is 21,600,000 pesos. And now, here is the price of facilities and equipments. For the facilities rehabilitation, which includes the land, the accommodation, swimming pools, activity areas, restaurant, coffee shop, bar, and comfort rooms, front desk and cottages, and other facilities, 15 million pesos. And for the equipments for our activities, 5 million pesos. For the renovation and setup, which includes the internet connections, electricity, water supplies, outdoor setup for activities, 1 million pesos. For the furniture and display, which includes the bed, chairs, tables, chandeliers, pillows and blankets, television, air conditions, and other decoration, 5 million pesos. So the total of our facilities and equipments is 26 million pesos. And this is our cash flow. Cash from operating activities. Our working capital is 30 million pesos. Cash from revenues for the 1 year operation of our resort, 36 million pesos. Total cash inflows, 36 million pesos. Available cash balance, 9,400,000 pesos. Increase in account receivable, 5 million pesos. An increase in account payable is 10 million pesos. For the finance and administration, staff training is 500 pesos. For the business permits and license of our resort, 300,000 pesos. So the total finance administration of our resort is 800 pesos. For the sales and marketing, which includes the marketing and advertising, the budget is 150,000. So our total cash outflows is 15,890,000 pesos. Net increase in cash is 9,400,000, and our ending cash balance is 10,400,000 pesos. Here is our balance sheet. Cash and cash equivalents is 36 million pesos. Our inventory is 20 million pesos. Our total current assets is 56 million pesos. For the establishment and facilities, 26 million pesos. Resort equipments, 10 million pesos. And our total non-current assets is 36 million pesos. The total assets is 92 million pesos. Accounts payable, 15 million pesos. Total current liabilities, 10 million pesos. Our common equity is 30 million pesos. Our retained earnings is 30 million pesos. The total owner's equity, 26 million pesos. And for the equipments and liabilities, 26 million pesos. And now, here is our income statement. Our total revenue is 37 million pesos. Our net revenue is also 37 million pesos. Our expenses, which includes the projected operating expenses, 21,600,000. The total operating expenses is also 21,600,000, and our net income for the 1 year operation of our resort is 10,400,000 pesos. Lastly, the cost of facilities and equipments. For the facilities rehabilitation, which includes the land, accommodation, swimming pools, activity areas, restaurant, coffee shop and bar, comfort rooms, front desk and cottages, and other facilities, the total is 15 million pesos. For the equipments, for the activities, 5 million pesos. For the renovation and setups, which includes the internet connections, electricity, water supplies, outdoor setups for activities, 1 million pesos. For the furnitures and display, which includes the beds, chairs, tables, chandeliers, pillows and blankets, television and air conditioners, and other decoration, is 5 million pesos. So the total of 26 million pesos. That will be all, and thank you, and once again, mabuhay.